Installing new windows is one of the most effective ways to improve a home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance. However, even high-quality windows may not perform as expected if installation mistakes occur. Proper installation is just as important as selecting the right window product, and overlooking key details can lead to drafts, moisture issues, reduced energy efficiency, and costly repairs down the road. For homeowners in Gaithersburg, understanding the most common window installation mistakes can help ensure a successful project and long-lasting results. Whether you're replacing a few windows or upgrading your entire home, avoiding these pitfalls can protect your investment and maximize performance. Choosing windows based only on price. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is focusing solely on the lowest price. While budget is an important consideration, the cheapest option may not provide the best value over time. Low-quality windows may offer limited insulation, weaker materials, or fewer energy-efficient features. In some cases, they may require replacement sooner than expected. Instead of focusing only on upfront costs, homeowners should consider factors such as durability, energy efficiency, maintenance requirements, and warranty coverage. A quality window installation often delivers better long-term performance and value. Incorrect window measurements. Accurate measurements are essential for proper window installation. Even small measurement errors can create gaps between the window frame and the opening. These gaps may allow air leaks, water intrusion, and reduced insulation performance. Improperly sized windows can also affect operation and appearance. Professional installers take precise measurements to ensure each window fits correctly within the existing opening. Proper sizing helps create a secure, weather-resistant installation that performs as intended. Ignoring energy efficiency features. Many homeowners focus on style and appearance while overlooking energy performance. Modern windows are available with features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, argon gas fills, insulated frames, advanced weather stripping. These features can significantly improve comfort and help reduce heating and cooling costs. Selecting windows with strong energy-efficient performance is especially important for homeowners seeking long-term savings and year-round comfort. Poor sealing around the window. Proper sealing is one of the most critical aspects of window installation. If gaps around the frame are not adequately sealed, outside air and moisture can enter the home. Over time, this may lead to drafts, water damage, mold growth, or reduced energy efficiency. Professional installers use appropriate insulation materials and sealing techniques to create a tight barrier around the window. This helps protect the home while supporting optimal window performance. Overlooking water management. Windows must be installed with proper drainage and moisture control in mind. Without effective water management systems, rainwater may find its way behind the window frame and into surrounding building materials. This can lead to structural damage, wood rot, and costly repairs. Experienced installers understand how to incorporate flashing, weather barriers, and drainage systems that help direct water away from the window opening and protect the home. Attempting complex installations without professional help. While some home improvement projects are suitable for do-it-yourself enthusiasts, window installation often requires specialized knowledge and tools. Improper installation can affect everything from energy efficiency to window operation and durability. Mistakes made during installation may not become apparent until months or even years later. Working with qualified professionals helps ensure that windows are installed according to manufacturer specifications and industry best practices. Failing to check window operation after installation. Every window should be tested to confirm proper operation. Windows should open, close, lock, and seal smoothly without sticking or requiring excessive force. Homeowners sometimes overlook this step, only discovering operational issues later. A thorough inspection immediately following installation helps identify and correct any adjustments that may be needed before the project is considered complete. Not considering long-term performance. Window installation is a long-term investment, and homeowners should think beyond immediate results. Factors such as material durability, maintenance requirements, energy performance, and warranty protection all contribute to long-term satisfaction. Choosing quality products and professional installation services can help prevent future problems and reduce ongoing maintenance concerns. Taking a long-term approach often leads to better overall value and peace of mind. Ensuring a successful window installation in Gaithersburg new windows can provide significant benefits, including improved comfort, enhanced curb appeal, and greater energy efficiency. However, these advantages depend heavily on proper installation. By avoiding common mistakes such as inaccurate measurements, poor sealing, inadequate water management, and choosing products based solely on price, homeowners can achieve better results and protect their investment. For Gaithersburg homeowners, partnering with experienced professionals and selecting high-quality windows helps ensure lasting performance and years of reliable comfort.